Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Vocabulary. Let's see if you can score that perfect 2020. The following are examples of palindrome except A. Level. B. Same. C. Deified. D. Noon. E. Murdrum. The correct answer is letter B. Same. Which of the following words is a palindrome? A. Race car. B. Apple. C. Pencil. D. Garden. E. Mountain. The correct answer is letter A. Race car. That perfume always evokes pleasant memories. A. Angers. B. Erases. C. Calls up. D. Confuses. The correct answer is letter C. Calls up. The old photograph rekindled memories of their childhood. A. Erased. B. Awakened. C. Confused. D. Ignored. The correct answer is letter B. Awakened. The attorney wanted to expedite the process because her client was becoming impatient. A. Accelerate. B. Evaluate. C. Reverse. D. Justify. The correct answer is letter A. Accelerate. The manager decided to postpone the meeting until next week. A. Cancel. B. Delay. C. Shorten. D. Repeat. The correct answer is letter B. Delay. The suspect gave a plausible explanation for his presence at the scene, so the police decided to look elsewhere for the perpetrator of the crime. A. Unbelievable. B. Credible. C. Insufficient. D. Apologetic. The correct answer is letter B. Credible. The teacher reminded the students to refrain from using their phones during class. A. Continue. B. Avoid. C. Hide. D. Enjoy. The correct answer is letter B. Avoid. He based his conclusion on what he inferred from the evidence, not on what he actually observed. A. Predicted. B. Imagined. C. Surmised. D. Implied. The correct answer is letter C. Surmised. Despite his calm expression, his tone betrayed his growing frustration. A. Revealed. B. Concealed. C. Ignored. D. Lessened. The correct answer is letter A. Revealed. Sila ay nagdadamayan sa hirap at ginhawa. Sila ay totoong naghihiramang suklay. A. Mag-asawa. B. Magkapatid. C. Magkaibigan. D. Magkaanak. The correct answer is letter C. Magkaibigan. There is no panacea that will solve our financial difficulty. A. Cure-all. B. Answer. C. Paradox. D. Criteria. The correct answer is letter A. Cure-all. The witness was warned not to perjure himself while testifying in court. A. Praise. B. Deceive. C. Lie under oath. D. Defend. The correct answer is letter C. Lie under oath. A multifarious task would A. Have many different components. B. Have very few components. C. Be very complex. D. Be impossible to complete. The correct answer is letter A. Have many different components. A meticulous worker would A. Be careless with details. B. Pay close attention to details. C. Rush through tasks quickly. D. Dislike organization. The correct answer is letter B. Pay close attention to details. Plaintive cries would be A. Musical, soothing. B. Plain, uninteresting. C. Loud, jarring. D. Sorrowful, mournful. The correct answer is letter D. Sorrowful, mournful. People with inveterate beliefs. A. Can be easily manipulated. B. Have adopted their beliefs from another. C. Hold their beliefs deeply and passionately. D. Change their beliefs frequently. The correct answer is letter C. Hold their beliefs deeply and passionately. A melancholy tune would be A. Cheerful and lively, B. Sad and reflective, C. Fast and exciting, D. Loud and chaotic. The correct answer is letter B. Sad and reflective. A tenacious person would A. Give up easily, B. Hold firmly to their goals, C. Forget things quickly, D. Avoid responsibility. The correct answer is letter B. Hold firmly to their goals. The committee's unanimous decision surprised everyone. A. Divided, B. Hesitant, C. Agreeable, D. Secretive. The correct answer is letter C. Agreeable. What is your score?